Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good today. Today I'm coming with a new concept which I think is really important for the kids to know is multiplication. I know that as parents it can be challenging or it can be tough for us to maybe explain multiplication, or when we can be annoyed to see our kids struggling with memorizing the multiplication tables, not knowing exactly how we can help them. I think even for little ones, there's a tip that I'm going to share with you very soon. How we can make the kids understand multiplications easily, and do multiplication easily, and get rid of and not finding multiplication like something really hard, or as an easy concept. Okay. Well, I think it is important to let the kids understand why he or she needs a multiplication, because by knowing the purpose of multiplication, it will be easy to understand what is the idea behind. And why do they need multiplication? They need multiplication because with multiplication they can easily break down some complex problems. Let's say, I'm just going to give an example. If we say to a kid, okay, you have 5 baskets. In each basket you have 8 apples. How many apples do you have? You see that with the simple intuition, the kid will be trying to do the count of all the apples from 1 to 40. That's a really long calculation and time consuming. But if the kid knows what is multiplication or his multiplication table, it will be way easy for a kid to find out the solution. If you say you have 8 apples in each basket and you have 5 baskets, how many apples do you have? If you know your multiplication table, you just know that you need to do the 8 times 5 basket times 5, the size of the basket, and you will have 40, and you know that you have 40 apples. So based on those different kind of examples, you can come up with a really simple way of explaining to kids what they are really doing, and what's the purpose behind, what is the idea behind. And I think they will be understanding multiplication easily, and it will make sense in their head, and they will be enjoying the activity, or the activity of multiplication. Okay. So if you would like to practice with your kid, do not forget to maybe give a comment, put in a comment that maybe you need some free printable. I would be really glad to share those with you. And do not forget to subscribe to the channel, to like, and to share. Thank you very much. Bye.